This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, September 16th. I'm James Spann. Still the chance of a few lingering showers today in widely scattered spots, but the weather looking pretty good for the rest of the week and part of the weekend. Now, let's go in there and take a look at things this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view. A new trough beginning to form over the eastern U.S. That'll push dry air and cool air back down to the south again. Ridging in the west, and underneath the ridge we have Odile, the tropical storm in the Gulf of California. Hey, feels pretty good north of that boundary. 30s and 40s around the Great Lakes, upper Midwest. And we're going to feel good later this week. I think we'll clearly see some upper 50s in here by early Thursday morning. That should be our coolest morning. Around the nation, the big story is the flooding potential with moisture from Odile coming up into Arizona and some of the adjacent states. Flash flood watches include places like Phoenix and Las Vegas again. And this is the QPF chart. Look out there and you can see rain amounts of 7 inches out there. This is where they typically don't see a lot of rain. And you can clearly see the flooding threat. But around here, in contrast, nothing. This is the rain through Sunday morning at 7 a.m. No rain at all shows up in the northern half of the state. We might see a little bit today, but not very much. Tropical weather in the Atlantic Basin. We have a new wave coming off the coast of Africa, looking less than impressive. And the one system is Hurricane Edward in the middle of nowhere, and it stays in the middle of nowhere. Top winds 110 miles an hour. And that will be recurving harmlessly out to sea. No problem, maybe close to the Azores by the weekend as a subtropical system by then. Here's a look at Tropical Storm Odile. That thing is still basically sitting over the Gulf or over the Baja California Peninsula. Pretty amazing. It's been kind of riding up the landmass. The winds are down to 65 miles an hour. That'll be weakening. And, of course, the big issue, it's the flooding potential. And that thing will finally fizzle out as a depression Wednesday night just south of Phoenix, Arizona. All right, model fans, let's take a look. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. New troughing over the east, ridging over the west. And down below that, a surface boundary is kind of pushing south, and that might kick off a few showers today. We'll check the high-resolution HRRR model, the HRRR. And this is suggesting anything that's out there at 3 o'clock today should be along and south of Interstate 20, and really the better coverage down over the southern half of the state. Partly sunny with highs in the middle 80s today. But tomorrow, an air mass change. Feel pretty good. The sky mostly sunny. The NAM is printing a high of 83. Humidity values come down. Dew points drop down into the 50s. And this is Thursday. Thursday morning is going to be nice. A chance we'll see upper 50s in many spots. Maybe some low and mid 50s up in the cooler pockets in northeast Alabama. The sky should be sunny. This is Friday. And again, we'll have to watch the wedge. Cold air damming. You can see that clearly setting up a little east of here. And sometimes that can push clouds and cooler air into East Alabama when you don't expect it. So for now, we're leaving it mostly sunny. But again, if you live near the Georgia border, just be aware that might be a possibility. But I'd say the better effects would be over Georgia and the Carolinas. And Saturday, as we start the weekend, should be a beautiful day. Bright, sunny, low to mid 80s. Humidity values stay low. Just a great day for football or anything else. And this is Sunday, and you can see a fairly potent little shortwave just tracking north of here. A big ridge in the western states, and down below that, a surface cold front coming in. And this is 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon. We're still dry, but it sure looks like that batch of showers might make it in here late Sunday afternoon or Sunday night. And the other question, could moisture from Odile be involved in this? And maybe we get a little more rain than you might expect on a deal like this. This is Sunday night just after midnight, 1 a.m. Monday, and the front is coming through, and it doesn't look especially wet, and if there's no tropical moisture involved, it won't be really wet. And then this is midday Monday. That front is on down to the south, and we get back into a drier air mass. But looks like at the tail end of the weekend, we might see a few showers, and if tropical moisture is involved, maybe more than a few showers, just something to watch in coming days. And this is a week from today. Ridging in the west, troughing in the east, and a very nice, refreshing, pleasant air mass. We'll go out there at the end of the month. This is September 30th. Hey, a little tropical system coming up on the Louisiana coast. If by chance that happens, that could be wet here. And the following day, the 1st of October, heights are above average. And again, tropical mischief may be producing some rain. But we all know that is out there in the land of voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.